Good day, everyone. My name is Marlo Filius D. Clamoy, and together with my group mates, Sir Jericho D. Guzman, Kirby Arevalo, Kurt Galaites, Junmar Bilgira, and Lawrence Sampaga. And we are from the class AMT 231, Section 6B, and we are here to report to you that our topic, which is the aircraft assurance. So imagine stepping into an aircraft knowing that every switch, every bolt, and every decision in the cockpit has been checked, audited, and verified. And that invisible safety shield is called aircraft quality assurance. So today, we'll explore how QA keeps aviation one of the most safest industries in the world. What is aircraft quality assurance? Aircraft QA is the guardian angel of the aviation. It makes sure that every flight is safe, compliant, and airworthy. It continuously monitors operations, maintenance, and manufacturing. Next is objectives of QA. Ensures airworthiness, meeting FAA, EASA, and ICAO standards. Next is maintaining safety, following proper procedures every time. Next is standardized processes, consistency across the organization. And lastly, reduce costs. Early problem detection prevents expensive failures. Improvement efficiency. Better procedures mean smoother operations. Now that we know why QA exists, let's move on how it direct effects in flight operations. To discuss that, I'll hand it over to Mr. Jericho de Guzman.
So, good day everyone. I'm Jericho de Guzman, and I'll be talking about how operation connects with quality assurance. So first, QA makes sure pilots follow all standard operating procedure using correct checklists and not skipping any steps. Second, QA checks pilot training and certification, making sure all licenses, simulators, and recurrent trainings are updated. Third QA reviews flight data monitoring. This helps us spot issues like hard landings, unstable approaches, or speed and altitude deviation. Fourth, QA studies safety and hazard reports from the crew and uses this to create solutions and improvements. Fifth, QA conduct audits and dispatch fuel planning and flight logs to ensure all regulations and requirements are followed. 6. QA monitors communication between pilots and dispatchers and ATC to avoid misunderstanding that could impact safety. So lastly, QA ensure flight crews are trained and ready to emergency and abnormal procedures. So that's the end of my part of how QA support flight operation. And now I will be passing the floor to Mr. Bergira to discuss the pure building blocks of quality assurance.
Here are the key components of quality assurance. Quality assurance works through multiple components that keep aircraft safe and compliant. 1. Quality control. This involves hands-on check like visual inspection, functional testing, component verification, calibration of tools and equipment. 2. Internal audit. This audit check compliance with regulation, document accuracy, non-conformities, needed corrective action. 3. CAPA, corrective and preventive action. Corrective, fix the problem. Preventive, fix fix the system so it doesn't happen again. 4. Risk management uses tools such as root causes analysis RCA, FMEA, trend monitoring to detect hazard early. Now that we understand the QA components, let's see how they apply to aircraft manufacturing and maintenance. I'll now turn it over to Arevalo.
Good day, everyone. I'm Kirby Arevalo, and I'm talking about quality assurance in aircraft. Quality assurance plays a huge role in both aircraft manufacturing and maintenance. QA in manufacturing. Manufacturers implement QA through design validation, production inspections, prototype testings, material verification, fit and performance checks. If it's not safe, it doesn't leave the factory. QA in maintenance. Maintenance QA ensures scheduled maintenance oversight, monitoring of life-limited parts, compliance with ADs and SBs, certified and trained mechanics, paper tooling, and calibration. Of course, even a strong QA system faces challenge. To explain those, here is Sampaga.
My name is Christian Lawrence M. Sampaga, and I will be talking about the challenges of quality assurance. Even with advanced systems, QA faces growing challenges. Challenges like increasing aircraft complexity, more digital systems, and advanced avionics, such and like human factors, which are fatigue, errors, procedural drift, global supply chain inconsistencies, rapid regulatory updates, cybersecurity threats to digital maintenance system. These challenges push QA teams to innovate and adapt continuously. And speaking of innovation, let's look at the future trends transforming aircraft quality assurance. And it will be discussed by Mr. Kurt Galates.
Emerging trends and technologies. Technology is revolutionizing aircraft quality assurance. Here's how. First, digital quality systems. This replaces paperwork with digital manuals, electronic audits, CAPA tracking, digital maintenance logs, performance dashboards, and second, predictive maintenance. It uses data and sensors to predict and prevent failures. Factors considered include equipment condition, operating environment, maintenance history, technician level skill. Third, automation and robotics. Robots now assist with drone inspections, precision manufacturing, automated scanning and cleaning, advanced autopilot systems. Fourth, augmented reality or AR. Mechanics get step-by-step digital overlays on real aircraft parts, reducing errors and speeding up training. To wrap up, let's hear the conclusion from the group.
For our conclusion, aircraft quality assurance is the invisible force that keeps aviation safe, reliable, and resilient. Through strict standards, continuous improvement, and advanced technologies, QA ensures safety from manufacturing to maintenance and to the moment they take off. In aviation, safety is never an accident. It's a quality and assurance. Thank you.
And that's the end of our group work.
Course, don't do your job without the document. That's the quality inspector looking for that when you start your job. So as of my experience, I'm working at 3 airline. The quality inspector are looking for the maintenance manual when you do that job. If not bring, maybe it will not give you authority to work in the aircraft of this airline, of that airline you work. Or maybe your license will be revoked because the quality inspector is very strict regarding for the maintenance manual. So if the engineer asking you do this, remove this component, you have to ask them where's the maintenance manual to start the job. If they're not given, don't do it. Okay, don't do it. You're not fighting with the engineer, but you have to work precisely. You have to work documented. Okay, because maybe when you work in the aircraft and when you check in the maintenance manual, is different from the parts that you want to remove it or want to change it, or there's a procedure before you start it. Ika nga nila, one miss you die. So don't do it if not documented, and it will never happen if not documented. Okay, so if you work documented, like you have a maintenance manual, step by step, the procedures, the maintenance manual say to you the procedures, how to remove it, how you do it, the procedures, how you start your job. Before you start your job, what is the warning sign, caution signs in the manual? They always said there is a risk or there's a warning, and then precautions. You have to read the manual. That's the most important thing before you start your job. So if the engineer not documented, don't do it. As then it will never happen. Okay. As a future AMT, what will you do to keep quality high and aircraft safe? Of course, what will you do when you do the job? Follow the procedure, follow the maintenance manual, all of your job in accordance with accordingly the rules and regulations. It's not your rules, it's not the rules of engineer, it's not the rules of the colleague. It's the rules of regulations of the maintenance manual. So that your aircraft will fly safe, and the quality of your job is the excellency safe. So that don't forget about the document, don't forget about the manual. If you follow it, they will fly safely and the aircraft return to service above. And third question is, in your own words, what makes aircraft quality assurance is the heart of aviation safety? Okay. The quality assurance is the independent process to prevent minor or major defects before the aircraft return to service, and to ensure that all national and international safety regulations are complied by each airline in accordance to the safety standard. That's it.